So can I give you a little fan verify?
Yes.
Because as you know, I've had tickets since before they started. And it's right. I mean, you maybe heard that exclamation Duval, but it wasn't in the stadium. I'm talking 95, 96, 97, 98, and then sometime as we change into the millennium, every once in a while you'd hear it, which I love. It's
right.
like this organic, non-commercial produced thing that just keeps growing.
And that's where it all started right there. Now everybody's saying it.
Everybody is, but you know what? Not everybody has this tie.
That's true.
Did you know this tie is illegal?
It's illegal. Why is that?
See, this logo was originally produced legally, and then others decided, no, that's not a legal tie anymore. Now, hopefully that doesn't mean I'm illegal.
No.
I'm just trying to point out, for those who didn't know, been around for a while.
That's a priceless memory.
I like that. Save
how
that
it
thought.
is.
I'm sorry. I've been distracting myself from I'm going to let Brian talk and forecast the score. I'm going to try to forecast the weather. So we've talked about what we expect in Duval over the next 24 hours. What about elsewhere around the First Coast? We'll break it down for you. First of all, we will stay dry. The winds will begin to become more northerly, that is out of the north, and then the northeast. So the winds start to bring in some clouds. They'll do that first down south, South Florida, heading up to about Daytona. But by Sunday, we'll start to see some clouds coming in from the Atlantic. But what about elsewhere? First of all, for tomorrow morning, still going to be cold, just not as cold. St. John's and Flagler going down to about 28 to 32 degrees, more like 33 to 40 on Sunday. Over there in Clay and St. John's, especially down toward Middleburg and Keystone Heights, you're going to see lows of 25 to 30 and heavy frost during the morning, more like 31 to 37 degrees on Sunday morning. Nassau, then across the St. Mary's River to Camden and Glenn County, 26 to 30 degrees, again heavy frost and just about as cold on Sunday morning. It's really not until Sunday before we make the transition. So let's make the transition up toward the Okefenokee, lows of 24 to 26, 26 to 30 on Sunday. And if we go from the Ocala National Forest out toward the Suwannee and the Itchitucknee, look for lows, again, 24 to 26 during the morning. Sunday, not as cold, but frosty. There will be some surf, not much, maybe beginning to pick up Sunday and Monday. Maybe you want to get on your boat, though. We have heard from the anglers that because of the chilly temperatures, the speckled perch are being caught in the southern lakes. Maybe you have a friend with the boat. And unlike Buffalo, our river is not frozen. You can come on down to the game by the bank by the bank. Temperatures near about 60 degrees. Now, officially, I'm looking for a high of 58, but I think because of the crowd enthusiasm, we will have a high temperature of 60 degrees. And, of course, there's all kinds of reasons I'm glad that we're here. In Buffalo, that's not even the wind chill. And, yes, that is snow coming in off the lake. The lake effect machine will be working up in Buffalo. And here's why. They're on the backside, meteorologically speaking, of course, of the blizzard. But the blizzard's heading north. High pressure heads south, and eventually our winds become east and southeasterly. That will increase the moisture, but overall will increase the temperature. So putting it all together for you, the next 168 hours, there it is, Jag Day, playoff day. And you know what, Brian? Even after we get the W, maybe we should invite the Bills fans to hang around because